for this lady, she has an existing set of porcelain, but the porcelain really doesn't reach the peak of aesthetic for her. So let's look at a couple of different issues. First, what we can see is the path of the gums around the teeth is not natural. The posterior teeth too high, the anterior too low. So when she smiles, it really lacks the sense of beauty. So the solution we want to propose will correct the contour of the gums, level out the smile line, and eliminate the infection. So before we start, we need to know a few things. First, if we look at the ratios of the teeth, we can measure these and see that the existing measurement of about 9 millimeters is inadequate for the size and shape of her face. So the gum surgery we propose, we've done on a model first to give us a guide, and we can see that increases the height quite a bit, makes it a more favorable ratio. So we know the basic idea is correct. Now we need to check the basic setup in our mouth to make sure it's healthy. Using a 3D scan, we can verify that the teeth and the bone around the teeth are healthy, and there's no infection from any previous treatment that she's had. We can also check more broadly in the scan to make sure there's nothing abnormal in the bones anywhere else in her jaw. Based on the oral examination, the X-ray examination, then we can use our 3D oral scanner and look at the way the teeth bite together and make sure the occlusion, how the teeth fit together, is proper. Taking all of this information, when we talk with our patient, we can do 3 things. First, we can describe that because we have a unique technology, we can do very little reduction to the teeth. Almost none at all, so little that we don't need any anesthetic. And this technology is from a company called Minish. Minish is from Korea, and they have recreated and re-envisioned how to make porcelain coverings for teeth that are minimally invasive, durable, and beautiful, and protect the health. So we'll apply this kind of technique for her, and when we do that, we'll choose a color of porcelain that's appropriate for her age, the color of her gums, the color of the skin, and the color of her eyes. And for her, we'll choose one of the brighter colors like this to give her the most natural and beautiful appearance. So with Minish, one of the great advantages is that the degree of tooth reduction is minimal, but the strength of the porcelain is very high. So Minish can be used in lots of situations. It can be used, for example, in this case, to repair and replace the defective enamel and fillings on the back teeth, the teeth that carry the force of biting. In addition to that, it can also be used for front teeth, whether they're tight together or have an open space in between them. Minish can be used to create healthy, natural, beautiful, durable